Okay guys, we got a quick little mail call to do. This is a letter from Armando from the vault. So I'm going to open it up and see what it says. So I'm doing this one-handed and I'm not as good as everybody else, so I'm going to have to pause and cut it open and then come back to it. So I'll be right back at you. Okay guys, I got everything set up. I just wanted to show you that Armando sent me another one of his stickers, and then he also sent me one of his daughters, Mandy's stickers. So it's Mandy, heir to the vault, and right now it's Armando from the vault. So I just wanted to show you those two stickers. This is looking a little fancy here. I'm thinking, you know, keeps mentioning Mortimer's getting ready to ask Skully something, so let's see what the card says. It says, some days you need to put on the hat that reminds them who they are dealing with. It says, Mortimer feeling a little sassy today and wants to know what Skully thinks. Mortimer would like to propose and promise to be faithful and make her happy. Armando and Robin. So Mortimer is proposing to Skully. Well, look at that smile she's got. We know what that means. I'm pretty much guessing that that's a yes. So I don't know when the date is going to be set, but there's Mortimer up there and Skully's happy and smiling. Let me put this one up here and see how it goes. He also sent me a sticker from Mandy, heir to the vault. So I have to show that. I got to put this up here. I'm running out of room. I don't know where we're going to put the wedding pictures. But anyhow, so there's that one. And there's the little skeleton family. I guess we're going to have little skeletons running around. So I'm presuming Armando and Robin and Cheryl and I are going to be in-laws now. So there we have it, guys. Skully says yes. They haven't set the date yet, but I'm sure we'll get it worked out. Everybody, Armando's fixing to have his 600 subscriber giveaway. So make sure you get over there and check that out. So we'll see you guys in the next video.